ko. I always just want to do more, and I think I'll stick to that. I always treat myself as a sponge. Pagdating sa ganito, you try to absorb, you just don't listen, you hear them, and it's a long process. I really do give all the respect to every position in the industry, to everyone na nabuto. So,
One last question again. Saan ang gagalang ng hugot mo?
uh,
Ito ha, sa movie na to ha.
opo,
Hindi ka naman sundalo
sa opening of the movie, pag napanood po nila, all throughout, direct would give me time. Kaya chronologically sunod ko yan. Because I had to see what was about to happen before riding the journey of getting into the warehouse. Kasi gusto ko buo na po yung story. I remember, hindi ko akong topak. Ang topak na dito si Enzo. Ako lang yung may topak. Pero the real topak of the story is Enzo's character. Kaya yun pa sa naabangan ng mga tao. And I'm just so happy kasi first time yung atang makita mag-action si Enzo, di ba? And he really pulled it off. May puso, may angas, lahat nandun. And it was really a refresher to see Enchong. No? Sabi ko nga, nga, dito ako may topak. But I'm telling the people all the time, you guys have to watch Enchong. You guys have to watch Julia. Kasi sanay naman tayo, Julia is really good. Wala na akong masabi dyan. Kahit ano mga character, hindi naman sa bias aside. She's really a friend. But everyone can agree to that. She's really a good actress amongst our generation. So, again, so kahit ano ba mo. But again, pag sinabing kakaiba, ano ba yung pagkakaiba, diba? Dito, nagmumura siya. Dito, kung anong ginagawa niya. Dito, nakipagsapakan siya. She's never done these things. No? And again, Sid has always been a villain as well, but he's always curated and created such a very interesting character. Ako kanina, pinapanood ko, sabi ko, ba't ako natatakot? Diba? Because there's always those, it's all sincerity. It's a plug and play. Ang gagaling ng mga artista, ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko. I have nothing to say, and every role was emphasized. Isang eksena man yan, again, there's no small actors, diba? Small roles. No such thing, no such thing. It's always you trying to do your best and trying to, contribute your piece of the pie. Diba?
Guys, agree ba kayo sa akin na yung eksena lang dalawa ni Sid, nagbibigayan sila?
Sobra.
Walang walang sapawan.
Overpower.
Pagkalam ni Arjo na for Sid.
Pinag-usapan niyo bang dalawa yung that specific scene?
No, hindi ko. Sabi ko nga po.
Wala?
Si Sid, si Julia, si Enchong, I practically just went on the set. And then we just did it. Just because, obviously, hindi, besides magaling ko talaga, what I'm saying, I'm just privileged to be given it. I tell you, it's really different pag magagaling talaga yung kasama niyo po. It really makes such a huge difference. And I really think I'm as good as my co-actors. I can only react to what they give. And this is one of the best films for me that I've actually done for a reason that pagdating ko sa set, wala na pa akong inisip. Yung topa ko, nasa sa akin na yun. Yung Miguel, kung ano pinagdaanan niya, nandun na yun. Si Sid, pag sinabing action, he's already there. He's at the peak of that, that